Hello everyone, welcome to CyberDucky. Today I'm gonna do a walkthrough on tryhackme intermediate Nmap. So let me start the machine. Okay, starting. So what we have to do is we need to log in. We need to find the flag in that machine. So let's wait for this to finish. Start. Yep, anyway, meanwhile this machine starting, and I've been planning to publish one course in Udemy and other platforms for basic network for someone who want to learn how to understand basics of network from layer 1 to layer 2, layer 3 with the IP addresses, MAC addresses, ARP table and DNS and service ports, or the ports. So if you're interested, let me know in the comment, and I'll publish the course most likely within a month time. So still I'm preparing for that, and let's start with this now. Yeah, we got the IP. Let me go to my VM machine here. So let me open one more window, terminal. So let me save the IP address. Okay, let's do ping. Yeah, I can reach because if you see here, it's already, my VPN is connected to tryhackme. So let me use the nmap -sv-sc, which is the default script, and the IP. Okay, let's wait to scan to complete. Yep, so the scan is completed. Let's see the scan results. So we scan for version / default script, and we have information, something has been found. So what we see is here they have some, yeah, looks like somebody has left username and password. Let's copy this and go to save here. So looks like this one is username, this one is password. Let's try to SSH and see. Yep, let's do SSH. So I'm typing the username Ubuntu at IP address is what we copy, paste. They're asking for username, password. Let's give our password. Yeah, the good news is we are already inside. Okay, so now we need to find the flag. So first is we need to do w. So we are in Ubuntu, so we need to ls-la. So these are the items we have in this, or hidden most likely. Let's go behind, then ls and cd to user. Oh, my mistake. User ls. Yeah, we have the flag, cat flag dot text. Okay, this is the flag for this room. So just copy and let's paste it here. Yeah, so congratulations. I hope you guys understand what we did. So first what we did is scanning the host with version and default script. So it gives us some of the information, and we found there were some information left, which is in this case is username and password. Then we use the username and password to SSH in. Then after SSH in, we use the password login. Then we try to find the flag by searching in user account, or the profile. So what we found is there's a two profile, Ubuntu and user, and the user has a flag, and we use cat command to see what is inside there. I hope it is informative for you to learn, start some of the basics, and please help to subscribe. Most of the people who are watching these channels are not subscribed, so please help to subscribe, so it will help me to grow the channel and eventually to do more things with the support. And please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.